One of the best times of the year is during the holidays, where we get to spend time with our family, our loved ones, and it's also a perfect time to relax, stay away a little bit from our daily routines and habits, and one way we can do that is actually by playing games. Now, even better is that we can actually earn money by playing games during the holidays. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in today's video. Some of the best apps and websites that you can go to during the holidays and playing games and earn money while you do that. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell also, so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. Alright, first before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my other YouTube channel also, which is my I Am Tips. It is related to make money online, work from home opportunities, and a lot more. And when you get tired of playing games and you want to earn a full-time passive income online, build a real, long-term, sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my #1 recommendation right here below. But for now, let's relax, enjoy, have some fun, play games, and earn money while we do that. Let's go! Alright guys, first off we are going to GameChampions.com. Now you have to check out all the details for yourself here because it would take up too much time if I go and share all the details inside here. But you can see here you can play video games for money. You bet on yourself to win money playing video games on PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. Now of course, if you don't have any of these, don't worry, because I'm going to share with you tons of other sites that you more or less don't need anything at all. But here you are, GameChampions.com. Go ahead and check out the details for yourself. The next thing we have here is WinRGames.com, exactly as you can see right here, WinRGames.com, and this is actually an app that is available both on the App Store and Google Play. You can see here you can win cash playing free games, and we are sharing back our revenue. Basically what you do is you play, you earn, and you win. It is as simple as that. Go ahead, download the app and check out all of the details for yourself there. You can see here people that are earning some crazy amount of money actually. Here we have someone with $3,000 again, $3,000. So definitely worth to have a look at this. Here is an FAQ also. Have a look at it if you're interested to find out more about Winner Games before you sign up. Alright, the next one is SecondLife.com. You can see here you can earn money by starting a business and earn real profits from the virtual world. Now, Second Life is a popular online virtual world simulator that actually allows users to create avatars who interact with other people, places, and things like they would in real life. Regarding payments, they do pay via PayPal and Skrill, so absolutely worth to have a look at it. Go to secondlife.com. Alright, the next opportunity we have here is Gamersaloon.com. Now that is available as an app or a website, and you can find various types of online gaming tournaments here, including everything from Halo to Call of Duty, NBA 2K20, Madden, NFL, and a lot more. So absolutely, for someone that is interested in those type of games, they should have a look at Gamersaloon.com. Here's something I just found on Google Play here, and that is FunTap. Make money playing games, of course. You can see here that FunTap allows you to earn cash for playing games. You do what you do anyways, but you make money at the same time. Exactly what I said from the beginning here. FunTap, have a look at it. I'm not going to go into details as I mentioned earlier here. Here we have something else, and that is to become a tester for games. You can go to PlaytestCloud.com. You can click on the section where it says become a tester, and you can see here you just fill in the details. You sign up below. If you're eligible, we send you a qualification test. The qualification test is unpaid. It teaches you how to play test. Then of course you will get started to play here. Now regarding on how much you can earn here, you can see that they claim that for 15 minutes you can actually earn $9. Not bad at all. If you consider it, in 1 hour you can actually make $36 or more. Definitely worth to sign up and give it a try. Let's move on to something else, and that is Playspot. You can find it on playspot.io, and you can grab the app right here straight away. It is actually available, unfortunately, only on Google Play. But it is about earning money playing games here. Absolutely worth it to get started and test it out. So fair enough to give something to Apple and iPhone users. I found this app here, and that is Money App, Cash and Reward app. You just type Money App and you will find this app here that is available on iOS. Here is one of the most popular sites that you can do a lot of other things, but even play games, and that is Swagbucks. Now Swagbucks is that you get free gift cards and cash for the everyday things that you do online. That includes, of course, watching videos, shopping online, answering surveys, but also playing games. Definitely worth it. Have a look at it, swagbucks.com. Pretty similar site is Earnably.com, also one of the more popular ones, so I'm not going to go into details. I shared this many times in the past. You can have a look at some of my other videos regarding these sites there. But just go to Earnably.com, sign up for free, and you can get started to earn money by simply playing games. Alright, here's something else, and that is Appkarma.io, or you can just type Appkarma on your phone there. You earn rewards playing with apps. It is as simple as that. Available for both iOS and Android users. They do have, of course, also a referral program, so one cool thing could be that you refer this to your friends and you make money by doing that. Appkarma.com, have a look at the details for yourself. Okay, let's go with one more here, and that is MissedPlay.com. MissedPlay.com, you can see here that they claim to be the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. Discover games you love and earn rewards for playing. So really simple, 3-step formula. You discover new games, you play, you collect units, and you redeem your rewards there. Now, of course, there is probably hundreds, if not even thousands of apps and websites that you can go to and play games and earn money, but I think I did a pretty good summary here and a collection of some of the best apps and websites that you can go to that will probably keep you busy here during the holidays. Now, this is a great way to make some extra money online. But if you want to learn how to create a full-time passive income online, making money while you sleep, or how about making money while you're on vacation? If you're tired of your 9-to-5 job, feeling stressed, overwhelmed, having a boss yelling at you. If you want to make a change and have financial freedom and start to live your life on your terms, take the first step and check out my #1 recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels, hit the notification bell, make sure you check out my other video recommendation, and most importantly, during the holidays, have fun.